Welcome back to Ta-da 3D Printing. Today we're going to talk about how to make a miniature bed for a dollhouse, and of course you can make this in any color that you choose. We now have all of these files up on our Etsy so you can make this at home yourself. The first print is the bed frame, and because the headboard slides in separately, we have kind of a hollowed out space on the headboard, so we do need to use supports. And I usually run this on the bamboo with tree supports, and the supports pop off really easily. We're showing this in the 1/24 scale, which is fairly small, but it takes about a half an hour to run this print. And it does also have a little slotted area along the top of the headboard, and that makes that little design that I'll print in a little bit, it's really easy to slide it in, which was a huge improvement from our previous designs that we had started with. Of course, when we're running this for the shop for items to sell, we just fill the bed plate completely, but I just wanted to show how easy this print is to run, and it comes out really great. I really love the tree supports on the bamboo, and that support just pops off so cleanly that it comes off in just one piece. Most colors you won't even notice anything. On the black, sometimes we'll have just a little bit of cleanup on the very bottom of that open space. The next print is the little insert for the headboard, and this one takes about 10 minutes. I didn't realize until after I finished this print that I need to update my build plate. I must have had something just a little too tight on the build plate, and it kind of left an impression. It doesn't seem to really mark on any of my prints, but it just looks kind of ugly. But anyways, this print turned out good. There really is not much stringing, which is kind of surprising. That's why I really like to run this one on the X1C, because this design turns out really nice. The next print is the platform insert, and I've always run this as a separate print because I usually get a really heavy line if I run it as an incorporated part of the bed frame. I like running it separate and just slipping it inside. And the last print is the mattress. I usually run this in TPU, and I like running this on the Prusa MK4. I feel like it handles TPU really well. And the reason I do TPU is that flexible, almost kind of like cushy, it kind of gives it a nice mattressy feel. It is kind of a pain, I feel like, to get off the build plate. I like the look of using the PEI. I know textured is usually better, but it is kind of a pain to get off of this build plate. These are all the pieces printed, and then after gluing, it looks like this. And we usually sell it two ways, either this way, completed with the cushy TPU mattress, and then we also have a fabric that we sew as kind of like a sleeping bag, and pillows as well, so that option we also have that is included. So I really like the clean look of this, but also we have the option for bedding. Let me know what you think if you would try out this print. Thanks for watching.